Every bag of potato chips begins with freshly harvested potatoes, carefully delivered to a state-of-the-art processing facility. Powerful washing systems remove soil and impurities, ensuring every potato meets strict hygiene standards.
Steam peeling efficiently removes the skin while preserving as much of the potato as possible. Advanced optical systems inspect each potato in milliseconds to ensure consistent quality. Precision slicers produce uniform slices, a key step in achieving consistent texture and cooking.
A thorough rinse removes excess starch, helping create the chip's signature crispness. Inside the continuous fryer, carefully controlled temperatures transform raw slices into crisp golden chips. After frying, excess oil is removed, and the chips are cooled to prepare them for seasoning. After frying, each chip receives its carefully measured blend of seasonings, creating the unique flavor customers love around the world. Before packaging, every batch goes through advanced quality checks to guarantee freshness, flavor, and consistency. Automated packaging technology protects freshness and prepares millions of bags for delivery every day.
From a simple potato to a worldwide snack, every bag represents technology, precision, and thousands of carefully controlled steps inside a modern factory.